So we are now going to process a sales flow. And to do so, I started with a different role center. So this is actually the salesperson's role center. And you see that the actions and the menus and everything that we see is different from the business manager's role center. I'm going to start my sales with an opportunity. So I click on new and then opportunity. I'm going to say, well, okay, the opportunity I have is one to sell office furniture to a customer. Furniture to a customer, Trey Research, which we already know. I'm going to select it from the list, but I can also type in. So Helen Ray has contacted me. I'm John Roberts, let's say. I'm the salesperson. And the sales cycle is one for an existing customer. So you can define different sales cycles. They will have different stages. And depending on what has been configured, you need to do certain things. We're going to activate the first stage because we had an initial contact. Then a few weeks later, we had another contract, and we will again update that sales opportunity. So I have now a little bit more information, and I think that, you know, this opportunity is 10,000 in terms of value. So we are now at stage 2. Then later on, a few weeks later, we had another conversation. I'm going to update my opportunity again, and I'm going to bring it to the next stage. I think now with the information that I have, I think it is 12,000 in value, and I have an 80% chance of success. But my system warns me, oh, this is a stage where you have to create a sales quote. So, okay, let's do that. And let's create a sales quote. So we can do that here, create sales quote. So you see now that immediately I get a sales quote for the company, which is called Trey Research. So everything is filled in because we started from the opportunity. What are we going to sell? I think that probably we are going to sell some Athens desks, and let's sell some shares as well. There we go. And basically now what we have is we have a sales quote for Trey Research. So I can go back to my opportunity, and I can now update it and process it to the next stage. And of course, I get the exact value now of my sales quote. So, okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start from the sales quote again. And let's assume that we are some weeks further, and the Trey Research has confirmed this sales quote. Then what I can do now is make an order. So the moment I click on, do you want to convert the quote to an order? Yeah. So the opportunity needs to be closed. Do you want to close the opportunity? Because this step means that we have won the opportunity. And then you can finish the opportunity, close the opportunity. Depending on how it is configured, you need to say like, we won this opportunity and it's for this or that reason. And the moment that you do that, you can convert your quote to an order. So we're going to convert a quote to an order. And here you see we have a sales order at this stage. So on my sales order, I have now an ordered quantity of 10. So I am going to sell to my customer 10 pieces of the desk and 10 of the chair, which results in 10 quantity to ship. So I will need to ship 10 pieces of each item, and I will need to invoice 10 pieces of each item. Now I can do this partially, for instance, 5 pieces in a number of times then, and so 5 pieces in each delivery, let's say, in each shipment. And if I then post, what I can do is just post the shipment. What I'm going to do now is not a partial shipment, but a complete shipment. So I'm going to change quantity to ship again to the full ordered quantity being 10. I'm going to click on posting, posts, and I'm going to say ship and invoice at the same time. And what you see now, the order is posted and moved to the posted sales invoices. So again, we get a document which is transferred from the non-historical to the historical level, because a posted sales invoice, everything is posted, everything is done, the invoice can be sent or is already sent to the customer, so this is historical. Do you want to open the posted invoice? Of course we want. Then we can have a look at the invoice. So you see here, non-editable, because this is an historical document, and you see here 10 times the desk and 10 times the chair, which has been sold and invoiced to our customer. And again, we can navigate on this historical document to trace the audit trail, to find the audit trail of everything that happened because of this posting. So you see here for the sales document, this posted sales invoice, you see one sales invoice, 10 GL entries. So you can see what happened actually on the GL account level. Tax entries, customer ledger entries, and everything which is applicable to this sale. So you have a full audit trail from this historical sales document.